Hello po sa mga members ng Sigma Lambda Phi Fraternity and Sorority on the occasion of your 91st founding anniversary. Mahagad po ako ng dispensa na day ako makaka-attend kan sa indong activity ngunyan. Pero habang nagse-celebrate ka mo kang anniversary po nindo, I'm flying to Singapore for a series of speaking engagements. Kaya pasensya na po that I cannot be there. Pero I want to take this opportunity to thank you. To thank you for all the contributions that you have made for Naga City. Aram ko, kadakol akong kabisto ng mga alumni nindo na talagang mga leaders in the community. So, mabalos na maray for also being a training ground for community leaders, for being a sanctuary for people na bako lang siguro mga nagenyo, pero the fraternity and sorority as a whole, naging sanctuary and training ground ka mga future leaders of the country. I hope you will be blessed with so many more anniversaries and siguro mas dakulang blessings sana ang mag-abot pa sa inyo para mas lalo ka makatabang sa community as you have been a very active partner of NAGA and the Philippines as a whole sa gabos po mga advocacies, sa mga shared advocacies ta. Again, happy 91st founding anniversary. All the best to all of you.